Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the 9-volt battery with a voltmeter. First step we're going to do is we're going to set the voltmeter to VDC, where it says volts DC. And then we're going to look at the battery and we're going to look for the negative. The negative is going to be a black probe and the positive is going to be the red probe. And we're going to put one lead on the negative and one lead on the positive. And we're going to check the reading of the voltage. And as you see, we're getting 9.07 volts. That means it's good. If you're getting less than 9 volts, like 8.5, that means the battery is weak. Recommend replacing it because in some equipment it won't work properly. But yep, you need a regular voltmeter. This one is a ammeter too, but you can always, if you're gonna use a different voltmeter, it's gonna say VDC and it's gonna have a straight line in the top with 3 little dots. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button below, and follow for more appliance repair tips